तो देख सकते हैं अभी हमारी मौजूदगी यहाँ पे स्कूल का, आप देख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स हेवेंस हाई स्कूल में है। तो आज यहाँ पे मेरा एंट्री हुआ है, हम कोशिश किए थे गूगल से जब इनका मैप देखे वहां से रिव्यू करने के, इनका बहुत पॉजिटिव देखने को मिला। तो आज हम कोशिश करेंगे बच्चे के टैलेंट जानने की, इसको क्लास ये स्कूल में क्या खासियत होने वाला है और बच्चे के पास कितना टैलेंट है, हम आपको दिखाने की कोशिश करेंगे इस वीडियो के माध्यम से। अगर आप अपने बच्चे के बारे में सोचते हैं भविष्य, तो यहाँ के बारे में पहले रिव्यू देखिए। हमारे साथ यहाँ पे बहुत, यहाँ पे असेंबली हो रहा था और बहुत बहुत सारी बच्चियां, उनसे बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो इनसे बात कर रहे हैं, देखते हैं। आज ये कैमरामैन, आपका नाम क्या है छोटी?
Muskan.
मुस्कान। ओके, कैन यू से समथिंग अबाउट बिहार? बिहार के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहिए?
Yeah, because it is our state and where we live. And Bihar, it is we cannot tell it is a developed, and in Bihar we can see that it is unemployment state, because from the Bihar every people go on the another state for do the work, and it is not developed, and there is also pollution, but but highest pollution in Delhi, but also in Bihar there is too much pollution, we can tell. And it is developed, we can see that it's ancient history, just like Chandragupta Maurya and everything, just like in the ancient name of where we live, that is location of Himnichak, and we can tell it is also located in the our Bihar, and Bihar capital is Patna. We can,
Do you like Bihar?
yeah, of course, we live it, then we will like it.
Which is your favorite country?
My favorite country is USA.
India. Oh, India.
USA, but where we live, we have to love it.
वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू। तो देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे बच्चियां सब जानने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। तो और कौन से बताएंगे? हेलो, क्या नाम हुआ?
Kajal Kumari.
कितनी देर का यहाँ पे पीटी करवाया जाता है पर डे?
Per day not happen.
आपको पता है पीटी?
Saturday.
What do you want to say about our country India?
India,
Yeah.
India is our country, and it is full of many things. There, it is famous for their culture, religions, and their development of education also. Because you can see in the India at the south. South direction, there is means too many peoples are educated, and if their language do not go on their language is different type of Tamil, Telugu, and but they can speak English, they can do any job. And by
छोटी, आपका क्या नाम हुआ?
Mr. Yara.
अच्छा, आप क्या अपने स्कूल के बारे में क्या कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? यहाँ पे बहुत सारी क्या क्या खासियत है, क्या अच्छा लगा स्कूल में, बताइए तो थोड़ा।
So our school is very nice in this whole Khemnichak, because here is everything which you need for a school. Here we speak English. Here the assembly system which can enhance the knowledge of every student, and knowledge is first thing for every student. So we need to determine the knowledge of every student. So in this school we can enhance this by the assembly, by the debate, by cues, and there is lots of platform in our school which we provide to the by the sir, and from this platform we can enhance our knowledge. Not only of the knowledge I am in this school about English speaking. In whole Khemnichak, not any school who in which student always speak English, but in our school every time we need to speak English, and if we speak Hindi, there is a spoken inshallah, and everyone who will write our name. So it is a basic rule of every school need to be that they all have to speak English, and their knowledge, if we have knowledge, then we can enhance by speaking English, and we can show to everyone that we can do something. So English, that's why India come in the second rank and the second largest country who tell English. In Kerala you can see that everybody need to speak English because of India now English is very important language, so we need to speak it. So our school provide you the first English language, and the second thing is knowledge. So now knowledge is very important for the youth of this generation. We have lots of knowledge, then we can enhance it, and we can do anything whatever we want in our life and future. So it is important thing. And the third thing is that the platform which we got by our school is like debate, use, and assembly, in which we can enhance by telling everything.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, थैंक यू। तो देख सकते हैं बच्चियां के जानने की कोशिश कर रहे थे यहाँ पे, क्या इनके पास कितना नॉलेज है, थोड़ा सा इनसे भी जानेंगे। व्हाट्स योर नेम? आपका क्या नाम है?
It's Miss Saika from standard 8.
फ्रॉम इट?
Yes, sir.
Studying. Oh, okay. Can you say about the what is the special in Bihar? What have you seen? Can you say about the Bihar?
Especially we know the Bihar state of India is from the ancient time known for the Magda and Maurya. Yeah, because by this the India get many types of development. Because when we see in the ancient history of the Bihar that there is a Magda, Maurya, and Mahajanpad, then from this the India get mad, because there Ashoka is also belonged from Bihar, who is known for the great Ashoka on the all over the India kingdom. Because Bihar gives them many things, and first of all the main purpose of Bihar that agriculture, because farmers
and many of the people who is working in Bihar and saying that we are not getting more of the develop because of the politics party. But because the Bihar is undeveloped because of the politics party, because there is when government is giving more money to Bihar to develop it, then politics parties get taking it and enjoying their lifestyle, not to give the public facilities. But if we seen that the education of Bihar, the Nalanda city is there, Rajgir. In this, you can see that there is a more than approx millions and billions books which is getting burned through in the Mughal period, because there was one story behind it of this. The due to that, every book is get burned. But if the special thing of Bihar, there is a many of the places you can go and enjoy it, and you can see also this Gaya Buddha is there. In this, that Buddha saw that in education comes from Bihar, because in the Bihar every types of education you can get, every Vedas, Purans, every types of education. And if we think that Bihar is undeveloped, that we can't can say this, because Bihar is getting developed. You can see also in Patna that Patna is the capital of Bihar, and it is getting developed more. And every foreign people is coming India to see the east and very well. And you can see also that in the international there is a many of the peoples who is getting also join in Olympiad and some types of the international games, and they are getting win, and they are belonging from Bihar. Already saying that Bihar peoples are not good, they are just eating very bad things, that all things, and they are making rubbish of the Bihar. But it is not truth that we live in Bihar and we know everything, that it is better than other of the state, and we are in India.
Very nice. What do you want to do? What do you want to become?
It's depend on the future. As I want to be Indian Administrative Service. I want to be IS, by which
Yes.
yes, by which I can develop the some district which I am of the IS. I want to.
टू टैलेंटेड ओ वेरी नाइस बेस्ट ऑफ लक थैंक यू तो देखिए यहाँ पे और भी बच्चे हैं उनसे बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे और देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी हैं तो उनसे बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कौन है यहाँ पे बताएंगे चलो बताओ व्हाट्स योर नेम आपका नाम क्या हुआ
Sorry, Raj.
ओके आप इस स्कूल के बारे में क्या कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं
It's a very good school for taking knowledge and learning, and in this school there are many features as like assembly, debate, quiz, and other etc. games. From as like debate, from debate we can learn very thing. We choose a very good topic. From that we can
ओके दैट्स फाइन व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बिकम आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं
UPSC. I want to crack UPSC.
यूपीएससी वांट टू क्रैक
Yes.
ओह वेरी नाइस देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे बच्चे भी हैं, उनसे बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे और एक और भी बच्चे हैं, उनसे बात करने अच्छा तुम्हारा क्या नाम है
Ritik Ranjan.
okay how are you feeling in this school
Good.
those who want to take admission in this school what will be the special उनके लिए क्या यहाँ पे स्पेशल होगा अगर कोई बच्चे यहाँ एडमिशन लेते हैं आते हैं तो उनको क्या खास
Knowledge.
नॉलेज अच्छा होगा
Yes.
इंग्लिश बोल लेंगे
Yes.
पहले इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते थे आप
नहीं.
यहाँ आने के बाद बोलना शुरू कर दिया
Yes.
देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे और भी बच्चे थे उनसे बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे और लास्ट में एक से और बात करेंगे ओके छोटू कम हियर आप आ जाइए व्हाट्स योर नेम
Yuvraj Kumar.
इस कैंपस में भी क्या हो रहा है व्हाट इज कमिंग
In this campus, we are doing PT.
यू आर डूइंग द पीटी
Yes,
हाउ आर फीलिंग है
good. Means at regular basis in our school, PT held, and every Saturday to Saturday.
what is the special in this school what have you seen here
You can see the huge debate and assembly. In every school, you have seen that there is only prayer and one thought, and after it assembly. Or but in this, we get a topic, and after it, we have to deliver a speech on that topic. And not only a single, but everybody of the single house have to perform their best in the assembly. And there is debate. In debate, the two person should fight with each other on a same topic. I means there is an advantage and one is disadvantage of a topic.
थैंक यू देख सकते हैं बच्चे ने बताने की कोशिश करें यहाँ पे क्या खास कुछ होने वाला है इसका नाम क्या हुआ
मोनू कुमार
मोनू जी कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ाई कर रही हैं
आई एम स्टडिंग इन स्टैंडर्ड 8th
अच्छा इस स्कूल में क्या खासियत होने वाला है अगर कोई बच्चे इस स्कूल में एडमिशन लेते हैं या पेरेंट्स एडमिशन करवाते हैं अपने बच्चे को तो इस स्कूल में क्या आपको क्या खास क्या लगा बताइएगा
The best thing about this school is complete English campus school.
फुल्ली कंप्लीट इंग्लिश
Complete English campus school, and all the students who study here used to communicate with each other in the English language. And because this is the great value, you can see our infrastructure is not too much good, but still we are providing the quality education. We have the English campus food, by which the all students who are newbie also who don't know how to communicate in English, they come here, they learn the English, and not only English. We have the many other system, many extracurricular activity which help a student to build different talent. Just like we do the different sessions like assembly session, debate session, quiz session, and game also. So let we understand what is the importance of the assembly session. So assembly session of our school help the student to build the talent of speaking basically, because conversation skill is too much important for the conversing with anyone. So our assembly teaches that how we can converse, how we can speak at the front of mic.
ओके वन क्वेश्चन जो इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल पाते हैं, अगर चाहते हैं कि इस स्कूल में एडमिशन लेते हैं तो क्या ये ऑफ कोर्स वो इंग्लिश बोल पाएंगे?
Yeah, of course, because we have the environment of English. How a child learn the Hindi, because they also live in the environment with their mother, father. Then they also come to learn the English. Same
क्या
like
बोलना चाहते हैं, क्या इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए वर्ड ट्रांसलेशन ग्रामर क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है?
no, environment is important.
Only
Environment, because environment is enough. Just like when a child born up, so he also learn from mother and father. When their mother talk in Hindi, the child also grew up. He also start speaking Hindi. Same like this, we need a better environment where everyone is speaking English, so we can also learn the English. It's not a tough task. Yeah, they can speak the
not tough.
not tough
The
task.
Bihar, those who are studying in the Bihar, they know English is very tough. They are not able to speak English.
This is the magic of our school. Na? Our school provide the
Magic.
magic of our school, because we are the English campus school and everyone used to communicate in English. So environment is everything. Adaptation comes to everyone. Just like if you are living in a cold, just like adaptation is important for everything. If you are here, you will adapt the English and you will become proficient at speaking English.
What do you want to say? आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं जो पेरेंट्स लोग देख रहे होंगे इस वीडियो के माध्यम से, कहीं ना कहीं उनके पास बच्चे भी है, वो कंसीडर करते हैं अपने बच्चे को कहाँ से एडमिशन करवाएं, तो उनको आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं पेरेंट्स?
I would like to suggest that this is the best school for admission, because here their child who if they want to learn the English, this is the best school for their learning English. But we have some problem. Our infrastructure is not so strong like the DY Patil and the other. Quality, because quality matters. Infrastructure we can build up in some days, some years, but the quality cannot be built up. Na? Quality is important. We have the quality education, and of course I will recommend this is the best school for admission here if you want to.
शुभ नाम क्या?
My name is Anjani Kumari.
कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं?
I am studying in class 9.
अच्छा, आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं, जो बच्चे अगर अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहते हैं तो उनको अगर इस स्कूल में आते हैं तो क्या इज इट पॉसिबल कि इंग्लिश सीख पाएंगे?
Yeah, is it possible in this school? Because in this school, as we know that each and every student speak in English. There is no one single student also that they speak in Hindi. The new student who had come only the first day, they don't know the English, then they just keep quiet and sit in class. But after the second day, they also start to talk in English, some words with their friends, with their teachers, some language. But after some days, 1 or 2 weeks, they also start to speak continuous in English. And second thing is that in this school there is the many platforms from which they are learning the English. Just like there is the assembly system, debate system, quiz system, and etc. more things. In assembly,
जो इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते हैं और अगर इस स्कूल में आते हैं तो वो इंग्लिश कैसे सीख पाए? यहाँ पे उसके लिए क्या मतलब क्या?
there is different things in this school that they listen the words of their friends, their classmates, their schoolmates. They listen the words, some words they understand, and after they also try to speak in English. And there's different platform, so they also try to learn the many things from there. Just like in assembly, debate, quiz, if they don't know anything, then also they try to listen. If they try to listen properly, then they it is confirmedly that they will learn. Yeah, they can speak English very nice.
Before coming here, यहाँ स्कूल में आप आने से पहले इंग्लिश इतना अच्छे से बोल लेते थे?
No, when I was not in this school, I don't know the English also. When I come in this school, I also don't know English. Thus, I was silenced in 1 or 2 days. But after that, I also start to talk in English, and now you see that I am continuously speaking in English and explaining this.
आप उनको क्या बोलना चाहते हैं जो इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं? अगर अपने बच्चों को भी अगर स्कूल में भेजना चाहते हैं तो उनको पेरेंट्स को आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
Yeah, I'm telling that it is only a school where we are getting this place and we are learning many things. As we know that in India it's come in the second number that we are speaking in English, and our school is providing the a small contribution to our India, that they teach us to speak in English, through which our India is also getting profit, and we are also getting, and our society is also getting developed by this.
वेरी नाइस। देखिए सी इज स्पीकिंग वेरी वेल, वो अच्छे से बताएं, अपने आप को बारे में बताएं, स्कूल के बारे में बताएं। देखिए हमारे साथ यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चे उनसे बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, तो हमारे साथ एक और बच्ची, आपकी नाम क्या हुआ?
निकुंज पर।
अच्छा, हम आपसे एक डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछना, आप देश की सेवा कैसे चाहते हैं करने की?
I will try to connect with the society. I will try to know the problem what they are facing on the regular basis. Either that is financial, economic, or any another thing. We
we are the youth of India. We have to serve our nation because it is our motherland. India was also known as in ancient time the golden bird. But we are the people who have destroyed the culture and the India. So we have to repair it. We have to make again the golden bird to the India.
वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू। तो अच्छा, कभी आप मतलब गरीब लोगों को कभी हेल्प किए कि नहीं अभी तक?
As
इतना छोटा सा एज में
when I was 5 or 6 years old on that time.
अच्छा, आपके पापा क्या करते हैं?
Engineer, he is an engineer in Faridabad, Delhi.
फरीदाबाद में। अच्छा, तो आप मतलब ये बोलना चाह रहे थे इस स्कूल में क्या खास क्या आपको लगा और भी स्कूल से, क्योंकि आप इतना दिन से पढ़ाई कर रहे हो?
I had joined this school in 2023 when I was in 6th class. At the half of the session, when I had come, then half syllabus was finished. I was in 6th class. After 1 month, I don't speak anything. I was
लगातार इस वीडियो के माध्यम से, तो आपका क्या नाम है?
सृष्टि राज,
आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ रही हैं?
स्टैंडर्ड 9।
9th में। अच्छा, आप इस स्कूल के बारे में क्या कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? कहीं न कहीं आप कितने दिन से क्लास यहाँ स्कूल में क्लास ले रहे हैं?
In this school, I am reading from 4 or 5 years.
4 or 5 years.
Yes.
So what is the special have you seen this school? इस स्कूल में आपको क्या खासियत क्या लगा?
It is the basic reason of reading me in this school because this school is only English campus school. Around us we can see the affiliated schools. These are not the English campus because in their classes the student speaks Hindi, but here nobody is allowed to speak English because of the platform which is given by sir to us, like debate assembly, quiz and many things. In this we only learn that how to speak English.
What do you want to become?
I want to join civil service.
Why?
Because I want to serve something for my country, and nowadays
To serve the country.
nowadays I'm seeing that too much destruction between the politics and politicians.
So you want to.
Yes, civil service I
आपका
want.
क्या नाम है?
Akhira.
अखिल, कौन सा क्लास में पढ़ रही हैं?
7.
7 में। ओके, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से? आप इस स्कूल के बारे में क्या कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, बताइए।
Very thing means in their assembly, means from assembly we will learn very things just like means in our SST book there is divided 3: history, geography, civics, and in 9, 10 economics will come. But in our assembly there this 4 has divided in 4 houses. In our school there is 4 houses: Aryabhat, Vivekananda, Bharat Teresa and Klama. Means every houses they have one topic. Means one house have history, so means from history they should have to learn and they should have to told on the mic and
वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू। देखें, बच्चे से बात करनी। अच्छा, आप देश को सेवा करना चाहते हैं?
yes,
कैसे करेंगे?
by becoming army.
यू वांट टू बिकम आर्मी?
Yeah.
Oh, why do you want? आप क्यों आर्मी बनना चाहते हैं?
For to save the country, means there is too many people, means they will get money and they will nothing do save the our country.
So you want to become army? Okay, thank you। तो देख सकते हैं हमारे साथ और बच्चे हैं, उनसे बात करने की लगातार कोशिश कर रहे थे। तो आपका नाम क्या हुआ?
Ria
रिया, कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ाई कर रही है?
from standard 8.
स्कूल कैसा लग रहा है?
It is good school.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
Yes sir.
अच्छा, आप इससे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं, इंडिया अदर कंट्री से आप किसको कैसे डिफरेंट देखते हैं?
Not only in the function of culture, it is also different in so many things. In languages, you can see in other countries usually they speak one or two language. Most of the time they used to talk in English, but in India you will see that there is too many language. And if you travel one place to another places, in a single state, not all over the country. If you travel in single state, just like if you travel in Bihar, then you can hear the so many different type of language. Just like in Bihar, you can hear the language like Mathili, and it is also known as one of the sweet language. One of the basic thing of India that in every state, if you will go, then they will they will serve you as a good types of in just like if you see the culture of Rajasthan, then most of the time they prepare themselves for doing the respect of their relatives and these all. In other country you will see that there is a fighting for the property these all, but in India you will see that there is a brotherhood between each and every state and each and every people of the state. You can see that there is a different food. If you travel one state to another state, you will have to taste very different kind of food. But in the western countries also you can try good you can taste good food. But in India, if you will see, then from wheat we can make several types of dishes.
So do you like India? No? Yes, of course, I like the India due to its. What do you want? आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं? First of all, I want to be a good person. Person. Yes, because without becoming a good person, we can't serve our country as a good manner. And first of before becoming a doctor, otherwise before becoming an engineer, otherwise teacher, we should become at a good person. We should not think bad about anybody. And because if there is one dialogue also in our country that if we do any bad thing for the another one, then before that we also got the bad thing. So at first I want to be a good person. ये कितने अच्छे से बताएं, सबसे पहले ये अच्छा पर्सन बनेंगे, उसके बाद ही आप देश को सेवा कर सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू. चलो, क्या नाम हुआ?
Nikhil
कौन
Raj,
सा क्लास में पढ़ाई कर रहे
7.
हैं? 7 में.
Yes.
अच्छा, सबसे फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट आपको कौन सा है?
GK I like.
जीके. व्हाई जीके इतना पसंद क्यों करते हैं?
I like to know what is happening in our surroundings, like about our politics. I like to read the SST history. That's all because I like GK due to I want to know the knowledge about everything.
ओके, आप बड़ा होकर क्या बनना चाहते हैं?
I want to be a doctor
डॉक्टर. व्हाई?
because I want to see there are many things like a doctor takes money but don't save the people. That's why I want.
So you want to be a doctor?
Yes.
Fine, thank you. और भी मेरे साथ बच्चे, उनसे भी बात करने के बहुत सारे बच्चे इंटरेस्टेड हैं बताने के लिए, लेकिन टाइम कम रहने के कारण कुछ एक लास्ट बच्चे से हम बात करने की कोशिश करें. आपका नाम क्या हुआ?
भास्कर कुमार,
भास्कर, कौन सा क्लास में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं?
9th क्लास.
9th क्लास.
Yes.
अच्छा, आपको स्कूल में यहाँ एडमिशन लेने से पहले आज तक में क्या परिवर्तन क्या हुआ?
Before the admission of this school, I was just like a simple boy, and I don't know how to speak Hindi. And the first day of a school, when I entered in a school, so that day I had seated like a simple boy, and I can't able to speak one word, and in Hindi I can't able to also speak one word. Only I speak to just teacher, yes sir, no sir, like that. But till now you can see that I am speaking this much. Yes.
Okay, कहीं ना कहीं आप एडमिशन ले यहाँ आने के बाद इंग्लिश जब बोल रहे हैं, तो आपको समाज में अपने फैमिली में किस नजरिए से लोग देखते हैं?
By good.
पहले से अच्छा देखते होंगे.
Yes, because I always speak English at home also. At when I want food, then I speak like this. Mother, I want to eat food. Mother, I want.
खुश हो जाती होगी.
Yes, of course, of course. Why not?
कहने कि इंग्लिश बोलने से क्या परिवर्तन क्या आता है, लोग में क्या चेंजिंग क्या आता है?
That language, first of all, language gets changed because by speaking English, we know that what is the sense how to speak. Because in English we not use rough language. This is main things that by English we improve our language skill. This all.
हम लोग अपने आप को, तो देखिए इंग्लिश सीखने का मतलब ये नहीं सिर्फ आप लैंग्वेज ही बोले. इंग्लिश सीखने का ये मतलब होता है कहीं ना कहीं आपका स्किल डेवलपमेंट होती है, बोलने का तरीका, बैठने का तरीका, किसी से बात करने का स्किल में कहीं ना कहीं बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट होती है. और यहाँ का बहुत सारे बच्चे से हम बात करने की कोशिश किए, कहीं ना कहीं ये स्किल से यहाँ पे बच्चे सारे स्किल्ड अच्छे हैं. और इनसे कुछ जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चन भी किया गया था, कुछ कोशिश की थी इस वीडियो के माध्यम से बताने के लिए. तो विशेष जानकारी के लिए दिए नंबर पे सर से भी कॉन्टेक्ट करके जानकारी ले सकते हैं.